Good evening, Sun Lifers! Salamat po sa pagbati sa aking birthday. I'm here to remind you about the mechanics for Mayor Palib at President's Month. But just kidding. You were all there during the business session? Yes. It was about the Thrive. We also did this during the local convention or the local trip sa Boracay with 3 batches. And of course, hindi natin palalampasin itong opportunity na to para bigyan din po yung mga international qualifiers to give back. So for the first-timers, taas po ang kamay. First-timers, para po hindi kayo magulat kung ano yung mangyayari. First-timers po, Macaulay Club is not just about what you see or what you have experienced. Macaulay Club is also about giving back. And this is the only program of Sun Life na talagang may katumbas po na pagbibigay sa community. You heard that during the business session, and the chosen beneficiary for this year is Thrive. Yung Thrive po, the reason for being of Thrive is magpakain ng mga batang paslit na wala talagang makain. And it's very ironic na nakakakita ako na, di ba, parang this is the longest yata, double pa, no? Na buffet table. Tapos ang ating beneficiary ay pagkain ibibigay natin sa mga bata. Thrive is a non-profit organization na ang nagbibigay, alam nyo ba kung magkano lang ang hinihingi nila sa atin? 29 pesos per meal. Para makakain, para pagdating ng bata sa eskwelahan, may laman ng siya. Sorry to dampen the spirit, but this is the reality of what's happening back home. And sino ang makakakuha nitong benefit na ito? If you have realized, tinutulungan ng mga Sun Lifers yung mga far-flung areas. Hindi po tayo tumutulong dun sa mga malapit na kinukuha na ng ABS-CBN, ng GMA, or ng Rappler. Doon tayo talagang naka-experience na po kami, baka meron ditong volunteers sa Zamboanga. Sumakay kami ng dump truck, ano ba tawag doon? Parang basura, 6x6. Garbage truck. Para pagpunta namin doon, makapagbigay tayo ng mga tulong. So in the past, nakapagbigay na po tayo ng schools, classrooms sa Cebu. We have also donated boats. Nakapag-donate na rin tayo ng mga school supplies, usually about education. So ito po, yung mga bata natin na papakainin, hindi yung mga nasa street children, but yung mga pumapasok sa schools. Kasi, di ba, parang isipin nyo, may mga pangarap tong batang to. Paano sila ngayon mag-aaral kung walang naman ang siya? And with our help, it's 29 pesos per meal, 575 pesos per month, or 6,900 per year. Think about the blessings that you have received. Ilan po ang gusto natin i-share? Wala pong pilitan. Kung ano po yung maluwang sa kalooban ninyo na ibigay, yun po ang pwede nyong ibigay. This will be deducted next month. No? So, my friends from marketing and world destinations will be going around. Alam nyo na po yung drill. Para po sa mga bago, there will be a half sheet of paper. Meron din po mga ball pens sa table ninyo. And you will be writing the amount. Meron diyang mga choices, I think. You can also write down the preferred amount. That is the first part. Okay? May second part po. You know very well that Typhoon Christine hit us very badly. Nag-release po kami ng fundraising last Friday, if I'm not mistaken, birthday ko po yun. Para makatulong, marami po tayong advisors na nawalan ng gamit, lubog ang bahay, may nawalan pa ng sasakyan, inanod. So kailangan po ng tulong natin. Dudugtungan ko lang yung sinabi ni Sir Al kanina about the comparison of Sun Life between Sun Life and the other companies. From my friends from other companies, parang si Sun Life lang ang tumutulong agad-agad sa advisors. So parang nakakatuwa lang to be part of this community na We care about each other. Hindi tinanong, validating ba itong advisor na to? Kaprofi ba yan? Wala. Basta coded, pwedeng tulungan. So what we will do is, you can write 2 amounts. The first amount that you will put will go to Thrive. Then you put plus. The second amount will go to the Typhoon Christine victims na Sun Lifers po. FYI, we have already done efforts para makapagpadala po ng mga biktima sa Bicol muna. And today lang po dumating ang tulong doon. Ganon kahirap pumunta. So if you can please find it in your hearts, write 2 amounts, whatever that amount will be. It will go a long way. So sana po, habang tumutugtog ang malungkot na music na Ranger de Luna, maisulat nyo mo dyan 2 amounts para po sa mga nangangailangan. Maraming salamat po, Maulay Klaus. Ay, by the way, para lang ma-challenge tayo, no? First batch, we were able to collect 300,000. Local po ito. Second batch, 500,000. Third batch, 300,000. So yung makakonect po natin, from the international, we will declare after the awarding day. Sana po ay may marating po. May mararating talaga. Sana malagpasan natin yung mga past collections. Thank you!